Good morning, children. I am Sindhisha, your computer teacher from DAV Public School, Butchrajpalli. So today we are going to start a new lesson for the new academic year. So our first lesson is the internet. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the internet. So the topics that are covered in this lesson are evolution of internet, how does internet work, World Wide Web, what are blogs, what are news groups, what is a HTML, what is web address, email address, and protocol. So now let us know each of them in detail. Evolution of internet. So first of all, let us know what is an internet. Internet is a collection of computers that are connected to one another through cables. Okay, and when these all are connected to each other, they will be sharing the information between one another. Okay, who invented internet for the first time? J.C.R. Licklider of Massachusetts Institute of Technology has invented the internet for the first time. So he joined in DARPA. What is DARPA? Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency in the year 1962 of October. Okay, and in the later, in 1966, G. Roberts has joined the DARPA to develop a new computer network concept and planned for ARPANET. What is an ARPANET? Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, and it is related to US Defense Department. Next, in the middle of 1980s, a new foundation which is called as National Science Foundation created a new high capacity network which is more capable than ARPANET. Okay, and later on this ARPANET and NSF net were disconnected, but still few companies were using them and they started growing it to a modern internet. Next, how does the internet work? Internet works based on two components, hardware and protocol. Now let us see each of them individually. What is a hardware? Hardware means it includes everything from the cables that carry huge amount of data every second to the computers. Okay. Through servers which are called as the computers that stores the information what we need. Okay. Next, what are clients? Clients are the computers in a network that seek the information. That means they receive the information. See, servers means who provide the information to the computers in the network, whereas clients means who receive the information from the servers in a network. Servers means nothing but the computers that provide the information. Okay, children. Next, still there are other connected devices which are called as nodes. These nodes act as a connecting point along the data traffic route. That means these node points will be given, making a easier way to reach the data fast to the other computer. Okay, children. Next one, protocol. What is a protocol? Protocol are a set of rules and regulations that govern the way how the data is to be transmitted over a network. Next, World Wide Web. World Wide Web, which is an acronym for WWW, and sometimes it is interchangeably used as internet, but there is a lot of difference between internet and World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? World Wide Web is a collection of all the public websites that are connected to the internet worldwide. Okay, World Wide Web means it is a collection of all the public websites that are connected to the internet. And these World Wide Web are based on the following technologies. What are those? Web servers and web browsers, HTTP and HTML. What is HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. So now let us know what are web servers and web browsers. Web servers are the computers that deliver the web pages on the request of the clients. Who are clients? Who receive the information. And these web pages or web servers may be a software or a hardware. Okay. And it is a place where you store the content of a website. That means whatever information regarding a website is there, that is being stored in web servers. Next, what is a web page? It is a document that stores the information which is viewed on the internet. What is a web page? It is a document that stores the information which can be viewed on the internet. Next, what is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages that are stored in a web server. What is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages. Next, what is a web portal? Web portal, it is a specially designed web page which brings the information from different sources in a uniform way. That means it will be taking out the information from different websites or web pages, and it will be giving to you in a uniform way. For example, yahoo.com. Okay. Next, what is a web browser? A web browser is a software that facilitates the retrieval of information from a web server. That means we are taking the information from different web servers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and all. That is what called as a web browser. Okay. Next, what are blogs? Blog means nothing but an online digital diary. What is a blog? It is an online digital diary in which you can post different messages for public. In which you can post different messages for public. And it is basically a web journal for personal use. Only for personal use it is called as a web journal. And it will be also having an individual articles on online journal which are referred as blog entries, posts or passages. And who is the person those are making the blog entries called as blogger. Okay children, and it is also allows viewers to put their comments about the blog. So what is a blog? A blog is an online digital diary in which you can post different messages for public to view. And the person who is making this blog entry is called as a blogger. And the articles that are posted are called as blog entries, posts or passages. Next, news group. What is a news group? News group means it is an online forum. That means you can make discussions online based on different topics and exchange the information based on that particular topic. And these messages are temporarily stored on each receiving computers. Okay, these messages are temporarily stored on each receiving computers where they are available for review and response. And the messages are automatically removed periodically from each system to make a room for new messages. Okay, what is a news group? A news group is an online forum. That means it is a place where you can make online discussions and share the information about a particular topic. And each and every message that is sent will be stored on the receiving computers for giving a response. And based on periodical time, it will be deleting all the messages from the system and it will be making a space for new messages. Okay, children. Next one. What is a HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language of the internet. Okay. And it is a language through which web pages are created. It is a language through which web pages are created. This language allows a web page to be created using formatted text, embedded multimedia files, and also the other components. The web pages developed using HTML can be easily displayed on the web browser. What is a HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language of internet. It is a language through which web pages are created. And the language allows a web page to be created using formatted text or multimedia and also the other components. And whatever the web pages we are developed using HTML, these will be easily displayed on the web browser. So children, I hope you all understood today's topic. The remaining concepts will be taught in the next class or in the next video. Thank you, children.